performance exhaust things like the performance exhaust has to have this button. Another way to double check is vehicle. Once you're in vehicle and dynamic, individual config, exhaust system, and find that you have this, the powerful. If you don't have powerful, you don't have AMG performance exhaust, and your C43 won't sound like I just showed you.